Hey guys, this is Nearboon39 with you again, and this time I'm building a scout from Team Fortress 2. You start with a just wait a second, I just need to put it apart. That's right. First, for the body, you'll need a fully plain one, but with this bit on the back, silver trousers like this. Where's the camera bit again? And like that. And then you'll need a face, any face, but I picked the smiley one, like, where is that face? That, plop it on, get a baseballer cap. I just got this baseballing cap, put it on his head. Oh, missed a bit. And then you'll need to find one of these sword things. It don't matter what you put on his back. And then you will need a put it on his back. For the scatter gun, you will need the pistol, what you get with the Lego thingy, Invaders alien thing. Then you attach that onto there, get some binoculars, don't matter which colour, but I picked silver instead of brown. And then you turn it like that, but it isn't supposed to be like that. Boom. Then you put it like, where is that? And then you put it like this, like that, and then put it in the scout's hand. It don't matter which hand, like, see scout there, right, smiley facey. And then you find that, get a stick, it don't matter which colour, but I just went for the power stick, just like I did with my Minecraft character with his skin. And there you have the awesome, ready for action. Peace off. Peace.